Welcome to a demonstration of the Report Creator from Nextcode Health. The Report Creator is a feature of the Sequence Miner, wherein it is very easy to insert your subjects into predefined GOR reports that cover a broad spectrum of analyses in the context of next-generation sequencing. By design, the Report Creator is very dynamic, and our goal is that it will be populated by reports that represent our customers' needs at any given time. We expect the regular changes to the available reports to be mostly user-driven, and that advanced users will be able to customize their own report dialogues in relatively short order. There are two ways to visualize the reports available in the Report Creator. The first is the carousel view, which allows for scrolling through available reports one at a time or more quickly. Once you have selected the report you are interested in, you can collapse the report carousel to utilize the entire window. On the right, you have input menus, and on the left, you will find a description of the report in question. You can also use the Additional Actions button in order to open a dialog file, view the GOR query associated with the report, and transition you over to the table view. The table view allows you to view all of the reports at once and move easily between them. You can also expand the window in the table view. To return to the carousel view, click this button on the toolbar. We will remain in the table view for demonstration purposes. There are currently 29 distinct reports available in the Report Creator, though that number will fluctuate based on demand. The 29 reports are distributed across 5 loosely defined categories. This video will cover the categories of reports offered in the Report Creator at this time. All dialogues with the prefix case represent variation analysis based on Mendelian inheritance, including recessive, dominant, X-linked, and de novo. When working on trio or nuclear family analyses, the most natural entry point into the Nextcode Health suite of analysis tools is arguably the Clinical Sequence Analyzer. And once you require the advanced analysis capabilities of the Sequence Miner, you click on the Open Report in Sequence Miner button, and the corresponding report will open in the Sequence Miner, ready for your advanced analysis. But if you are already working in the Sequence Miner, you can perform the analyses in the Report Creator just as easily. In the case prefixed reports, as well as when creating a study in the Clinical Sequence Analyzer, you will be required to choose an index case, which the analysis will be centered around. Subjects are chosen by clicking in the entry field or on the icons in the entry fields that will prompt you to choose from your list of available subjects or choose lists from the grid. Links to videos detailing input parameters and output columns are located just to the left of the entry fields in the relevant report dialogues. Reports with the CC prefix are geared toward case control studies. The CC Fisher Exact report will allow you to perform a single point association analysis on your cohort. The output is variant specific and reported in odds ratios and p-values. If you intend to use the case control modules regularly, the following way to create case and control lists is quite useful. In the File Explorer, open the Subject Reports folder and click on Distinct Participants. That is a list of all subjects you have access to. Highlight those individuals you want to designate as cases, right-click, and click on Open in New Grid as Cases. You can invert the selection if you choose, or select a group you wish to open in a new grid as controls. If you are interested in limiting the analysis to your region of interest, open a Genome Browser window to your region of interest and click on the POS button in the Genome Range menu, and you can select the range from several Genome Browser windows or choose to include the entire genome. The GAVA report stands for Gene Aggregate Variant Analysis and allows you to do case control analysis focusing on whole genes rather than individual variants. Reports with the prefix gene or gene report will annotate and generate statistics on reports containing genes depicted with a gene symbol column. Reports with the prefix PNs denotes that reports annotate subject lists or generate subject-specific statistics. For example, if you would like to create an allele frequency file for your cohort, open PN's varfrec and select your subjects, or leave empty to create an allele frequency file for all of your subjects. Select whether you would like allele frequencies for exonic variants only or across the whole genome. Click Generate Report, and in this case, in short order, you have a report with allele frequencies for 616,894 variants. Reports with the prefix var report allow you to annotate and compare variation reports. Venn reports allow you to do Venn analysis on 4 reports at a time. We will use this opportunity to introduce a new feature that was not available when previous training videos were made. Once a report has been created, you can click on the Edit Report Form button on the toolbar and make changes to the report and either update the current report or create a new one. Perhaps you could increase the scope of the variant effect predictor consequences you are interested in. Or, as an example of the utility of this function, here is the case of 2 sisters with the identical phenotype as well as their unaffected parents. In this case, I might decide to alternate which of the 2 sisters the analysis uses as an index case. Here I would create new. Once reports with both sisters as index cases have been generated, I go to the var report comparison and select the report for either sister being an index case and in this case you would want to know which variants were in both reports since the phenotype is the same. This is only one example of the utility this feature brings to the analysis of reports. So in summation, the report creator is populated by reports that will help you solve your Mendelian, recessive, dominant, X-linked, and de novo cases. It will do your case control Fisher exact test analysis. It will annotate and generate statistics for candidate gene lists. It will annotate and generate statistics for subjects and subject lists. It will compare reports you have generated. Lastly, a new feature allows you to quickly make changes to previously created reports. Let us know what types of analyses you wish to see in the report creator. Email us at support@nextcode.com with your requests. Also, look for further training videos at nextcode.com.